So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Portia Springer, and I am the Director of Marketing Technology here at the Advantage offices. I work for all three offices, Oviedo, Lake Nona, and Waterford. I'm spread around, so if I'm not in your office, please talk to the front desk, and they will know where I am and how you can contact me. So today, like I said, we're going to be creating your Facebook business page. So when you are here, we are going to click on local business or place because you are a local business. When you do that, you're going to choose a category. And if you guys need me to slow down, please let me know because we want to make sure you are in step with us. So choose a category. There should be one for real estate. And then business or place name. That is going to be the name of your business, not Keller Williams. It's going to be you. So if you have a team name or if you have a catchy name that you want to use that. So we're going to make one today for the Technology Turtles. Then you've got your street address. And again, my recommendation, put in the office address because you don't want people showing up at your homes. And then your phone number. That is going to be a phone number that you are willing to share with the world that they can contact you at. So if you don't want them calling your cell phone at all hours of the day, don't put your cell phone number here. If you have a business phone, my recommendation, put the business phone on there.
These can be changed later.
Absolutely.
So what is the difference between the category and the company, organization, or institution, the different
options here? We've got company, organization, or institution. So this would be for like a university. It would be for Keller Williams. The brand or product, that's if you are selling a specific brand or a specific product. So that you could make a brand or product which would be homes for sale. It could be short sale homes. It could be any specific product. Artist, band, or public figure. Obviously, if you're the biggest rock star, you would make that. Entertainment, again, that's going to be for TVs. It's going to be for stereo companies, things like that. And then a cause or community, that's going to be if you are making, like here, Linda Schulte, she is doing an MS race for a bike race. She could create a page for that race. And then she would update information on the race, how it's going, how the fundraising is going, things like that. So that's the difference. We want to make sure that you are a local business because you are housed here and you are within the community. So we want to make sure everybody here knows that you're there. So once you put in your real estate, your address, and your phone number, you're going to agree to the Facebook page's terms. If you want to read them, go for it. It basically says, don't post anything that's bad. Have fun. And then you're just going to hit get started. So now with this, if you already have a Facebook account, you're going to say, I already have a Facebook account. If you do not have a Facebook account, go ahead and put in your email, put in a password, and put in your birth date. So how many of you already, you said most of you already had a Facebook account, so you're going to click on, I already have one. Do you have a question?
No.
Okay, yeah.
I'm on Facebook.com. Is it a slash something else to get to the create?
It's slash, here it
I'm
is.
sorry, I didn't catch
That's
that.
fine. Slash pages slash create. Yep.
Okay. Because if you have one currently, you helped me create a business before, and I just want to make sure that that information is what it should be.
Okay.
Will you go over that at some point?
Yep. So that's our next step. So with that, you can just go ahead and log into your Facebook account, and then once we create our pages, then we'll be where you need to be.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah.
I can follow along with mine.
Woohoo! There you go. Technology at its best. Yes.
What is going to be the difference if I have already a Facebook account and I didn't do the first step that you did already?
What happens is your Facebook account, that is going to be your personal account. That is where you can friend people and people can ask you to be their friends. That's a personal communication where that's where you talk about, hey, I went to this great restaurant yesterday, or my family just went to this great movie. Here's what we saw. Pictures of your family, that's going to go on your personal page. With that, what you do is you friend people that you know already. With your pages, this is going to be where people that you don't necessarily know, they can still come and find you and follow your page, so that way they are up to date on the real estate information that you're posting.
Oh, okay. But now if I do that, what is going to be the difference if I mix with my personal account, the other one? If I do the step and I hit the button that you said, I have already a Facebook account.
Right. What this is going to do is it's simply going to create your business account and it's going to make you the administrator of it. So it's going to just link your two accounts together so that way you can post on either your personal page or your business page. Okay, so I already have one. So you're just going to go ahead and log in. So the next step is going to be to upload your photo. This is going to be your profile picture. It can be a Keller Williams logo. It can be your face. It can be whatever represents your business. So if you have a logo for your team or for your business, you can put it here. If you don't, like I said, you can put a picture of a house. You can put anything that represents your business. And you can do that from your personal computer. Yes.
It says that my email from my personal account is already in the same account. So then it says, would you like to claim this email address?
Okay. Was that when you said I already have a Facebook account?
Is there a place to say that?
Yes.
I said that. Oh, okay.
Up at the top.
Okay, I didn't click.
Okay. So you're going to go ahead and click on I already have a Facebook account, and then you're just going to log in. So is everybody to this step? All right, so next we're just going to hit the next button. And now here's where you can put in some information about your business. So this would be what type of real estate, where you're located. It could be who you like to work with. This is basically the bio of your business, how long you've been in business, things like that. Let me know when you're ready to move on. Okay, so these a little bit more typing. The next step is to add a secondary website. So what this is again, it's going to be your website address for your business. So if you want to use your eEdge site, you can put that there. If you want to use your eAgency site, you can put that there. Or if you have a blog that you want to connect to, you can put that here as well. It's up to you on which site you use. Has everyone put in their website? Yes? No? Remember, this is interactive.
Yeah.
Okay. The last option is, will this page represent an establishment, a business, or a venue? And we're going to say yes, it is, because it's representing your business. And then we're going to save the information. Has anyone moved to a new page? When you hit save, do you go to step 3, enable ads? Okay. Okay, so step 3 is going to be your enable ads, and with this, you can add a funding source, which means that people can put ads on your page. My recommendation is to skip this. Do not enable them because you don't want trash being advertised on your website. Does that make sense?
Do you not get a choice of what is allowed to go on your page?
Not that I'm aware of. Yeah, this is something that's brand new with Facebook. The ads, you can send ads and other people can put ads on your site if you allow them to. So my recommendation is just don't allow it.
So you just skip in that.
You're just going to, yep, exactly, just skip it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so how many people are now at this screen? All right, perfect. So now what it's going to do is it's going to give you a little bit of a tutorial of your business page. So when someone goes to your business page, they are automatically going to have this like button. Once they click the like button, now they are going to start getting information about you whenever you post it. So we're going to go ahead and click the like. The next one, you can invite your email contacts. So you can connect to your Gmail account, you can connect to your Outlook account, to your Hotmail account. And what that does is it's going to search for any email that is within your email contacts, and it will automatically invite them to like your page. So I would go ahead and do that. Next, when you are, yes. Okay, it should have brought you up to the email contacts up at the top. Does it do that? Here we are, down here to share something. So it's just moving you on. Like I said, this is just kind of the tutorial of where we are and what you have.
If you don't want to do any of it, share it again until you get more information. This is pictures.
Exactly, yeah. You don't have to do anything yet. This is just showing you what you can do. Mm-hmm. So when you are ready to actually share something, this could be a great video that you just saw about real estate. It could be a post about you just had a closing or you just got this great listing. Where it says write something, that's where you're going to share it. So that's where you're going to write out what you want the world to know about your business. Okay, so now your site is all set up. What you can do is you are automatically, when you come here, you are automatically on the admin page. What that means is that you can view all this extra stuff. So on the top, as you scroll up, you can view how many people have come to your site, how many people have liked it. You can view, you can invite people, which is your invite friends. These friends lists are going to be from your personal page. Again, you can go through and you can start inviting people whenever you come in here. It'll pop up a list of those who have not yet liked your page. Up at the very top, you have an edit page. When you go there, you can update the information. Once you do that, you're fine. So up here, we're just going to click on edit page. Go ahead and just click on the skip here. Because that was a tutorial we just went through. So go ahead and just hit next. And then, yeah, go ahead and do that. And then now you can come back up to the top and now go ahead and hit edit page. There we go. And then we're going to be in the edit info. Correct. So once you're here at the edit info, you have the option to put in a username. What that means is when someone goes to facebook.com/something, you get to choose what that something is after the facebook.com. So with that, that could be the name of your business. It could be a catchy phrase about real estate, whatever you want it to be. So the key is, once you create this, you cannot change it. So make sure that you know what it is you want it to be before you do it. Make sense?
How does that differ from what we just named?
The name of the page is what people see when they search for it. But the create a username, that is the actual URL. So when someone actually types in facebook.com/whatever it is, that would be where they land. So what this is doing is you are choosing what your URL is or what your web address is for your page. Well, like I have, for my personal page, I have facebook.com/Portia Springer. It could be Gina Davis Realtor. It could be Oviedo Real Estate Agent, something like that.
Can it be the URL of the website?
I wouldn't, just because this is going to be how they find you. Yes.
Could you come back here and look
Yeah.
at my,
Absolutely.
And if you could realtor, you had to put the trademark symbol or not?
No.
No? Okay.
But you suggested not to put Keller Williams in?
I wouldn't, because you're trying to brand yourself. This isn't branding Keller Williams. This is branding you and your business.
So on a regular Facebook page, David Fonseca, like the David Fonseca Realtor on here, would that
Yes.
be good?
Yep. Or I would do, yeah, David Fonseca Real Estate or something like that.
I'm not getting a save or anything like that once I type in my user.
Once you type it in, you're going to click on check availability.
Is it username that only contains space?
There can't.
It won't let me.
Yay! it cannot have any spaces.
No, I don't have any spaces.
Uh-huh.
But I can't check availability.
So below, when you type in the username, there's no check availability button.
There is a button, but it's
Okay.
gray and it doesn't let me.
Okay.
That's the same as my page name. So
Right.
I didn't know if that would make a difference or
It
not.
shouldn't matter.
Mine is the same.
Try, try no capitals. Maybe that will work.
I use
Like
capitals.
odd. You did.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's odd. It should allow you to check availability.
And after you check out, I'm going to do it.
There should be a box that comes up that says either it's available or it's not. So how many of you say it's available? All right, perfect. So you're just going to click on the confirm. Yep, go ahead and check availability. Okay, so that means that I would put real estate instead of realtor.
Okay. I had to hit go,
Ah,
and it
okay.
did it automatically.
Good. Anybody else having problems? Okay.
I'll wait until you get to we that already have it and change it.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
All right, so now we're just going to click confirm. And everyone cheer because you are live. Woohoo! All right. So now what happens is you can direct your fans to that specific website. So now on any of your marketing, you can now say, connect with me on Facebook at this URL. Pretty cool? All right. So now we're going to hit OK. Oh, you're fine. Okay. So what happens now is now it's time for you to go out and get as many likes as you can. What happens is up here at the very top, you can search for people, places, and things when you are on your personal page. What happens is on my personal page, if I start typing in Keller Williams Oviedo, Keller Williams Oviedo's page comes up. The only way that it will come up is if you have more than 30 likes. So until you have 30 likes, when people search for you here, it will not show up. So that's why initially you need to start inviting your friends. On your business page, remember when we were at the page, we saw that there was a like option. So on here, remember there's the like option. So right now we all have 1 like because we liked ourselves. Once you get to 30 likes, then now people can search for you and find you. Make sense? Yes.
Yes. Now, how do you switch between 2 pages?
Okay, so if you are the admin of more than 1 page, up at the very top, you have this little cog. When you click on that, you have the option to go back to your personal view, which would be your name, or you can switch between different pages in order to post on different pages. Yes.
If I add a friend, that's not necessarily going to get me a like, correct?
No. On your personal page, when you add a friend, that is separate from your business page. So the difference between them is that on your personal page, that is where you can friend people. Hey, I want to be your friend. Yes, I'll be your friend. Your business page, all you can say is, hey, I've got this great business. You should come and like it. You can't force them to come and like it, but you can draw them in by putting great content on your business page. Does that make sense? Okay, yes.
So since I'm already a friend with you, you will go and like my page?
Absolutely. And the other nice thing is that if you share your page, so now here, you've got this little cog down here next to your business name. If you click on that, the third option is to share. What that will do is this will allow you to share this on your own timeline, which means that now you are sharing your business page on your personal page. So that way all of your friends can see, now I have this great business page, you should go and like it. Does that make sense?
Okay. Okay.
Where is that?
But
Where did
I'm
you find
not
that?
screwed up now.
When you are on your business page, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see your image and your business page name. Do you see that? Okay, off to the right, there's a little cog with an arrow down. You're going to click on that, and the third option is to share. Does everybody see that?
I don't know how to do my property. I'm in the attic.
We're going to go ahead and click on the share button. What this is going to do is it's automatically going to share on your own timeline, which is your personal timeline. From here, you're going to say, I have this great new business page. You should come and like me. So what happens is down on the bottom there's a link to your business page, and up at the top you are going to type in something to tell your friends about your page.
I
I did something wrong because I shared it on my own page. I didn't share it on my personal page. It's shared on my business page.
Oh, really? Okay. 1 second. Let me look at that. So now, yes.
I was just gonna say, I'm in a waiting mode, so is there a way that I can link onto something to make sure that I have done that at this point? Well, I know I don't want to distract you too much off on a tangent.
No, we're going right there now to make sure everything's up and running.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so now what we want to do is up on the top right, you're going to click on that cog, and now you're going to click on your name to go back to your personal page. Okay, so this is when you log into Facebook, you're going to click the home. This is what you're going to see. Now, what you have over on the left, you have your pages. So if you have set everything up properly, you should show your business page off to the left. Yes.
I don't have what you do up on here. When I hit that, I have advertising, account settings, privacy settings, log out, and help. So you want me to log out?
Okay, nope. Which page are you on?
I'm on my business right now.
Okay, so we're moving back. Oh. Nope, go ahead and hit the home.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, so then I go hit that, and then it should.
So now,
This should be my.
yeah, that's fine. So now you're going to hit the home.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you're looking at groups, pages.
On your pages, correct. So how many of you see your business page underneath pages off to the left?
I see pages, feed, and like pages.
Okay, go ahead and click, wait a second.
No, under
Back to your
friends.
home. Oh, okay. Go ahead and click on pages. And when you come up here to your card, what does it say? Okay, so you do not have, let's look at that because it's not connecting your business page with your personal. Okay, so we will look at that after class.
Thank you.
Okay, what this will do is now, as long as your business page is showing underneath your pages, on the left-hand side, you can actually click on your business page, and now you are looking at your business page, and any photos that you post in here, any posts that you create, now you can actually tag people in them. So what happens is if we add a photo, you can actually tag your friends. Okay. So if we come in here to photos, I can actually tag the photo. And now I can start typing in any name, and all of my friends are going to show up from my personal page so I can tag them.
What is tagging?
When you tag somebody on a post or in a photo, what that does is that puts that photo on that person's timeline. So what it does is it's going to show on that person's timeline that you have tagged them in a photo for all of their friends to see. So let's see. I don't think I have any at the moment. I believe currently it's only for photos.
So if I wanted to do it just listed, I could.
Okay, here we go. Pardon?
If I wanted to do it just listed,
Mm-hmm.
I could put it in as a photo
Absolutely.
and then send it out and then tag.
Correct. Yep, so you can tag your clients, you can tag different real estate agents if you want to. So with this, this photo here, I got tagged in because I was there that day. So what happens is on my timeline, this photo showed up for all of my friends to see. I wasn't the one who posted it, but because somebody else tagged me in it, now all of my friends get to see what I've been doing. What this also does is whenever anybody comments on this photo, my friends get to see that comment as well because it's a photo that I was tagged in. So what this is a way for you to, again, grow awareness that you have a business page. As you start putting in photos and tagging your friends in it, their friends get to see your page, because it's going to show your page was the one who tagged you. So that when they click on this and then they comment, they are commenting on your page. Does that make sense? Questions on that? Yes, no?
No.
Okay, yes.
I don't have a question on that. I need you to comment.
Okay, let me.
I'm not, so.
So what Gina is looking at is when she is on her business page. When she comes here, she has a list of people in her invite friends. What that invite list is that is your friends from your personal page that you can invite them to come and like your business page. So what you can do is as you start posting more and more on your business page, you can start inviting your friends to like it. And so every time that you log into your business page, you're going to see a list of friends who have not yet liked your page. So that way you can continually invite them to, hey, did you know I have this page? Come and like it. Again, the more likes you have, the better chances are that you're going to be found when people search.
How can I correct a typo?
What's the typo?
I forgot to make a space in the comment that I made when I
Okay, so when you make a comment, so let's say we're posting on here, and we're going to post that. What happens is once you post it, you now, if you hover over the post, you have this little pencil. And when you click on that pencil, you can either, all right, I guess you cannot edit this. You can delete the post altogether, and then you can just make a new one. So that way if you've made an error in spelling or something like that, you can just delete the post and just rewrite it with the correct spelling. What you can also do is you can pin this to the top. What that means is that if you have a brand new listing that is on the market and you want everyone to know for the next week, you can pin this to the top, and what that means is that no matter what other post comes in that you create, this post here will always show up at the top.
Where did you have that?
That's going to be, once you've posted, you can click the edit or remove, and the very first option is pin to top. And so with that, you can pin to top. You can do pictures of a brand new listing. You can do pictures of your team. You can do any post that you think, let's say you're having an open house this Saturday and you want to make sure anybody who comes sees it all the way until Saturday. So no matter what other posts you put, every time they come, the very first post is going to be about the open house this Saturday. Does that make sense? Okay.
And it stays there until you find it.
Correct. So we're going to pin this to the top, and currently because we don't have any others, it's just automatically going to be there. What you can do is you can just edit, and then where it says pin to top, it will say unpin from top. And once you unpin it, it will simply go back into your feed wherever it was that you posted it. The other thing that you can do is you can highlight this post. So let's say you are highlighting a brand new listing. What this does is this is going to make it nice and big so that everybody who comes to this page is going to be drawn to see that post. So again, if it's a photo, you can make it nice and big for everybody to see it. Make sense? Any questions on that? And then again, all you do is just remove from highlights. Once maybe the event is complete or the house has been sold, you can remove from the highlights. So what are some topics or what are some things that you would post on your business page?
Open houses, new listings.
Open houses, new listings. Anything else?
Successful closings.
Absolutely. Successful closings.
If you got new designations.
That would be great. New designations.
Client, where they talk about you.
The testimonials. Absolutely.
Raving fans.
That's right.
Yes. With that, what I would actually do is when you are at the closing table, if you have an iPhone, quick video them talking about you.
I love that. No, I thought it was
Because when are they the most happiest?
It was one clip that was in 3 hours. Okay, so that would have been hysterical. Videotape parts of that.
But just little things like that where it's them on the spot, they're the happiest they're going to be with you because they just got their brand new keys and they're going to tell the world about the service you just gave them. So different things like that, and absolutely when you're posting on here, if you take a picture of yourself with your clients, make sure your clients are friends with yours on your personal page. That way you can tag them, and then all of their friends know that they just closed on a house and you were their realtor. Pretty good?
Do you have to have their permission to post it?
No. You can, as long as they are your friend, that is permission enough to tag them. If you tag them and they come back to you and say, you know what, I really don't want that tagged, they have the option to untag it themselves. Or what you can do is you can actually hover over their name where you've tagged it and there's an option to untag. So any tag that you make, you can undo it, you can delete it, and then it'll just disappear off of their site. But yeah, as long as they are friends with you, they're giving you permission to connect with them. So other things that you would post. Would you post if there was something brand new about the short sale process?
Sure.
Okay. Would you post something about 10 things new home buyers need to know? Okay.
I love the video that I sent from here.
Market Pulse, absolutely. Yep. You've got the Market Pulse. You have the This Month in Real Estate video. When that comes out, you can post that here. If you have a blog, anytime that you create a new blog, put a link to the blog here. Do you all know how to do that? No. Okay. So what happens, real quick, I'm going to show you.
Will there be a class on doing a blog?
Yes. It's coming. We're going to do... Okay, so we're just going to take a blog off of the Waterford page. So let's say, okay, did your real estate market make the short list? This was an article. They did a list of the real estate markets that were doing the best, and Orlando was number 10. So we were in the top 10 out of every market in the entire country. So what you do is you create this post because you want to get the word out, and now up at the very top you have a URL. You're going to click on the URL and you're going to copy that. You're going to come back to your website, your Facebook business page, and where it says write something, you're simply going to paste it. You're going to wait a few seconds, and
it's not
is there anything that you have seen in here that I did not answer?
How I like the page?
Once you go to facebook.com/
I opened the page.
Okay, perfect. So now as you scroll down, there should be a little button that says like. So you're just going to click the like. Yep. And once you do that, then the button will change to liked with an ED at the end. And that means now you've liked us, and whenever we post, there you go. You liked Keller Williams.
The Facebook page says so many likes.
Mm-hmm.
So many people are talking about it.
Mm-hmm. What that means is that if, let's say that I post something on my page today and somebody likes it or somebody comments on the post or somebody shares that post, that means that they are talking about me and my business. So that's the talking about. If they have checked into your business through like a Foursquare or something like that where they say, I was at Keller Williams Oviedo, then that is also part of the talking about. So it's people are seeing your business through others.
Is that literally somebody's online right now looking at something about your business? Or is that something
Not necessarily. It just means that someone somewhere has liked, shared, or commented on a post that now their friends are seeing. So when you are here on your page, what you will also see in your, it's called an insight. And through your insight, you can see how many people you are reaching based off of your postings and your photos and links and all of that good stuff. On the bottom, you have how many people are actually talking about this. That is, again, how many people are liking, commenting, sharing what you are posting. And then on the very bottom, you have little purple dots. And what those are when have you actually posted to your site. So you can tell on the 4th, we put 2 posts. What that also shows is that on the 4th, we reached 505 people. So what that does is it shows you that the more that you're posting, the more people you're reaching. Does that make sense? Okay. The recommendation for Facebook youth is to post at least 3 times a week. Something. It can be, I just went to this great local restaurant, you should check it out. It could be, I'm having an open house this weekend. It could be, hey, are you going to the movies this weekend? What's your movie choice going to be? The biggest thing is to get interaction. So you want people, you want to ask them questions. You want to pose something that they are going to want to respond to. So ask them, are you going to the movies this weekend? What movie are you seeing? It could be, I know one person actually has a movie Monday where they say, okay, what movie did you see last week? How do you rate it? And what that does is if you have something where you post every Monday about a specific topic, people get in the habit. They want to know, what are people seeing? What are they talking about? And then what that does is it drives them back to you. Make sense? Okay. Any other questions? Yes, no, maybe? All right. And that's all I've got for you guys today. Are you confident that you can get into your business page and start posting? Okay. Was this helpful for you?
Yes, very much.
Okay. Would you recommend the next Technology Turtle class to others?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I love it. So our next Technology Turtle is not going to be until next month, but I hope to see every single one of you there.